Hey guys, what is going on? Today it is July 2nd and we are going to be doing a road trip out to Fort Hood, Texas. Why Texas? Well, here's the deal. Angela's got a boyfriend. His name is Rodolfo and he's been stuck out at Fort Hood for a while. So Rodolfo was supposed to take her to prom, but of course he couldn't make it because he's military. So if you want to know who Rodolfo is, he's actually the same guy, the soccer player that we went hitting all around Southern California. I will post that link right now on who Rodolfo is. So we're gonna go visit him. Gonna go spending the 4th of July weekend over there in Texas. We're probably gonna head over to Austin. I heard some pretty cool places. Gonna go check out some barbecue over there. Also want to check out the Yeti flagship store while we're out there. So definitely want to check that out. Hopefully they're open. I don't know with this whole coronavirus thing, but we just rented this car right here. Check that out. We got the Buick right here. And I think it's called the Buick Encore, I believe it is called. Oh yeah, Encore, Buick Encore right here. So, and just found out I got me a free ticket here for the lottery. So that's kind of cool. Maybe we'll win some money on the way. Hopefully pay for some of the trip. But let's get this road trip going. Let's enjoy. Oh, also too, before we get on the road here. See, so just to let you guys know, I like Rodolfo, think he's a great guy. Of course, I don't like my daughter dating, as you know, most dads don't like their daughters dating, but so as we get this going, I'm going to be kind of a jerk over there, kind of play a little stuff, but because of coronavirus, I'm going to kind of be the whole 6 foot apart kind of deal. So I'm going to play that this whole weekend. So be ready for the lookout on that one. So that should be kind of funny. So we'll keep them apart this weekend. Actually taking our bathing suits out too. I found out there's a plunge or something over in Austin area. So we're going to go check that out. So be ready for everything, guys. Until then, I will see you guys out there. Let's go. Six feet apart.